district is a unique part in the Karnataka state. The region is covered by moderate to dense forests, hills, perennial rivers of Western Ghats. The western part of the district is a narrow coastline of Arabian Sea. Eastern part of the district is a plain area. The geographical as well as the geomorphological condition of the district has resulted in a diversified demographic picture. The population is scattered among the tiny villages all over the districts. The main occupation of the people in the district is agriculture and allied activities. Sirsi, a taluka place, is a town where most of the commercial activities of the surrounding region are concentrated. People bring the agriculture products, mainly areca nut, coconut, cardamom and pepper for marketing. There are good marketing cooperative societies which mainly facilitate marketing of major crops in the region. The region has faced a problem of marketing of various other agriculture and forest products. There are no organized markets for minor agriculture products like cocoa, coconut, cashew nut, vanilla, ginger, turmeric, jaggery, coffee, jackfruit and various other forest products like kokum, honey and shikakai. The people who come from scattered villages find difficulty in marketing of such minor products, though often the products bring them considerable income. Kadamba Marketing Sauharda Cooperative Limited is established with the objectives of arranging for a good organized market for the minor products of this region. The cooperative is registered on 7th January 2005 under Karnataka Sauharda Cooperative Act. The cooperative is established under the leadership of Mr. Shambhuling G. Hegde Nadgod and other eminent personalities. Mr. Vishweshwar Bhatt took an effective initiative to organize the business activities of the cooperative. As at the end of March 2012, the total membership of the cooperative is 732 and the paid up share capital is Rs 5,38,100. The cooperative has collected deposits from members for funds and working capital. Since inception, the cooperative is making profit and the profit for the year 2011-12 is Rs 5,50,000. The cooperative has started its marketing activities with vanilla green beans. It collected the beans, pooled and marketed at reasonable rate. Cocoa is a major subcrop in the region. Cocoa is grown mainly among areca gardens. The acreage and tonnage of cocoa in the region is increasing year by year. Farmers get a sizable income from this crop. Kadamba has arranged for an organized market for this crop. As much as 731 quintals of cocoa has been purchased and farmers get a good return for their produce. The marketing of cocoa is collaborated with Camco. Kadamba has distributed as many as 2.5 lakhs cocoa seedlings to the farmers to encourage cocoa cropping and to boost the economy of the people in the region. There were no specialized markets for spices like turmeric, pepper, mace, nutmeg, clove and other minor products. Kadamba has arranged for marketing of such tiny products and also encouraged cultivation of spices. Similarly, the cooperative arranged for coconut marketing on commission basis. Jackfruit, the king of fruit, is tasty as well as nutritious. The Malnad region is known for variety of jackfruits and their delicious products. Kadamba has taken up the marketing of jackfruit papads in a big way. Kadamba Marketing is selling papads under the brand name Mayura Papads. The demand for Mayura Papads is increasing enormously. There is no compromise in quality and taste of products. Kadamba has arranged a unique jackfruit mela in association with others. The jackfruit melas have been successful in commercialization of jackfruits and their various value-added products. Jackfruit chips are crispy and tasty, good for time pass. Kadamba is marketing these chips in a large quantity and it is finding difficulty to meet the demand. Jaggery, a unique product of sugarcane, is a specialized product in the villages of this region. It is the part and parcel of the breakfast in villages. Kadamba is marketing this value-added product of Joni Bella in a large quantity. Under the brand name Kadamba Jaggery, it is delicious and healthy.
ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಪೂರ್ವ ಭಾಗಗಳಾದ ದೊಡ್ಡನಳ್ಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಉಂಚಳ್ಳಿ ಬಂಕನಾಳ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಕೋಣನಕಟ್ಟೆ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ವೆರೈಟಿಯ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆದು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ದರ ಬರೋದು, ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷ ತೀರಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ದರ ಬರೋದು, ಈ ಥರ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕದಂಬದಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಾನಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂತೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಖರೀದಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬಹುಶಃ ಕಳೆದ ಒಂದು 3-4 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ 1,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡಬ್ಬಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡೋದ್ರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
In a short span of time, Kadamba has developed market for various agriculture products: pepper, cardamom, maize and nutmeg, clove, shikakai and other spices. These are sold under Kadamba brand products. Kokum, a delicious product from a fruit called Murugala, or the soft drinks of Kokum, are marketed with Kadamba brand name. Kadamba Kokum is natural, organic and nutritious. No question of mixing or adulteration. Kadamba honey, another important product which the cooperative has undertaken marketing. The institution has established a modern, high-tech processing unit for honey. The product is clean with optimum quality.